Guys, welcome back to this video. Today I'll be doing a YouTube video with my favorite skins that I just randomly got. So I will leave a link in the description for it. Let me go find it. There. Swag Totodile skin pack. Here's all the skins. First there's like a lunar wolf, a lapis wolf. Then there's like a cute little girl that has hair. This is a galaxy girl, and this is also a Pikachu, and I think that's a steampunk. That is a cute little wolf girl. That is like a green girl. That's a tomboy with blue. That is Swag Totodile but a girl onesie. I think that's another steampunk. And this is the skin that I made. It's a Totodile but with a purple chest. This is like a unicorn onesie girl. This is my best skin on Minecraft Skins. It has 287 downloads. It's a Doge with a blue collar. And this is just another cute girl. And same with that. This is like a granny steampunk. This is like a galaxy girl. This is a pastel girl. That's a Twilight wolf. And this is like another cute little girl again. So, yeah. It will be called Swag Totodile Skin Pack, but in a zip form. Downloaded it with Mediafire. And notice this screen? Omega Flowery. I just can't stop hearing about it. I mean, look how cool this is, though. The teeth, the eyeballs, extra eyeballs, nose. I mean, wow. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.